Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix application failed to start because side-by-side configuration is incorrect. In this case, you have to go here, this search option, and write appwiz.cpl, hit enter. After hitting enter, you'll be finding this page where you will find also Microsoft Visual C++. Just right click on this and click on change, and you have to repair this. So click on repair. Yes. Then do the second option also. All of this Microsoft C++ Visual should be right click, change, and repair. Okay. So after that, what you're gonna do is you have to download Google Chrome and try again. Just right here, download Google Chrome for Windows 10. Now you'll find here this option, Google Chrome first. Then if you click on this Chrome, download Chrome, your Chrome will be start downloading. Then you have to install it in your device. Then restart your computer on, and you'll see the result. I hope this video will help you guys. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.